Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make Erupting Raspberry Lava Cake. But what's the secret ingredient? 2 cups of raspberry jam. The Bumble Nums are at the base of the Mount Fruity Volcano. Are you ready to go up and get your raspberry jam, Grumble?
Yum!
How about you, Humble?
Yum!
And you, Stumble? Are you ready to go up to the top?
Yum!
The Mount Fruity Volcano is getting restless, Bumble Nums. You know what that means.
Yum!
Now remember, Bumble Nums, we need 2 cups of raspberry jam, and you need to get them before the volcano erupts. The clock is ticking.
Yum! 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 Yum!
Yikes! Watch out for the molten hot marmalade.
Yum?
Yum!
No, Stumble. That's a crater full of grape jelly. The raspberry jam you need is at the top.
Yum, yum! Yum!
Oh, no! A stream of steaming strawberry jam! Watch out! Remember, Bumble Nums, you need 2 cups of raspberry jam for your erupting raspberry lava cake. And hurry!
Wow!
Yum!
Yum? Yum! Yum! Ooh, yum!
Oh no! I think the volcano is about to blow! Run for it, Bumble Nums!
Yum! Yum!
Good thinking, Grumble! Ooh, you made it, Bumble Nums! Do you have the 2 cups of raspberry jam? All right! Now that we have the secret ingredient to make our erupting raspberry lava cake, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumble Nums, you've done it again! How does it taste, Bumble Nums?
Yum! Yum!